Hey there, all you young explorers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to discover some amazing facts about turtles. Get ready for a shell of a good time. Did you know turtles are like the grandmas and grandpas of the reptile world? They've been around for more than 200 million years, making them some of the oldest reptiles ever. Check out this cool turtle shell. It's like a super-duper protective backpack. Turtles carry their homes with them everywhere they go, and it keeps them safe from trouble. Turtles aren't known for their speed, but that's okay because they're the masters of taking it slow. It's all about being calm and patient in the world of turtles. Can you believe some turtles live to be over 100 years old? It's like celebrating your birthday every day for a whole century. Turtles can't warm up by themselves, so they love to soak up the sun. It's like they're having a sunny day picnic to get cozy. Turtles have a super special way of breathing, and it's not like ours. They can even breathe through their bottoms. It's like a secret turtle power. Turtles are like the chefs of the animal world. Some eat salads, some love fish, and others have a taste for jellyfish. They're foodies for sure. Some turtles are like underwater superheroes. They can dive super deep into the ocean to find yummy treats. How cool is that? Turtles have a unique way of laying eggs. Some do it on land, and others bury them in the sand. And guess what? The temperature decides if the baby turtles will be boys or girls. It's like nature's secret code. So, there you have it, our fantastic facts about turtles. They're like the coolest slowpokes in the world, and we need to make sure they stay safe and sound. Thanks for joining our turtle adventure today. See you next time, young explorers.